The 2025 Toyota Tundra Crew Cab has undergone significant safety improvements, particularly in the updated moderate overlap front crash test conducted by the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety. In this evaluation, the Tundra achieved a good overall rating, reflecting enhancements in occupant protection for both front and rear passengers. In the updated moderate overlap front test, the Tundra structure and safety cage maintained their integrity, effectively preserving the driver's survival space. Injury measures for the driver indicated a low risk of significant injuries, with good ratings for head and neck, chest, and thigh and hip areas, and an acceptable rating for the leg and foot region. The driver's restraints and dummy kinematics were also rated as good, indicating effective restraint performance during the crash. For rear passengers, the Tundra demonstrated notable improvements. The rear passenger dummy's head remained at a safe distance from the front seat back, and injury values suggested a low risk of injury to the head, neck, and chest. The shoulder and lap belts maintained proper positioning throughout the crash, contributing to the good rating for rear passenger restraints and dummy kinematics. These advancements are particularly significant given previous concerns about rear seat safety in large pickups. Earlier Insurance Institute for Highway Safety tests had indicated that many large pickups, including the Tundra, struggled to protect rear seat occupants adequately, often due to issues like submarining, where the occupant slides under the seatbelt, increasing injury risk. The 2025 Tundra's improved performance in the updated moderate overlap front test suggests that Toyota has addressed these concerns, enhancing the safety of rear seat passengers. These improvements contribute to the Tundra's strong safety credentials, making it a compelling choice for consumers prioritizing occupant protection in the full-size pickup segment.